Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Children, let's recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, in this lesson, today I will tell you what is the ending sound of first group of jolly phonic. Are you ready to listen? Children, let's start. Look at the picture first. What is this? This is the tin. Tin. What is the ending sound of tin? Tin. Tin. Yes, where is tin? Yes, I found out. Oh. Tin. Tin. Read it with me. Tin. Yes, is the ending sound of tin. Okay, look at another picture. Pin, pin, pin. What is the ending sound of pin? Pin, pin. What is the ending sound? Where is it? Yes, it is. Pin, pin, is the ending sound of pin. See another word. Ant. 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 What is the ending sound of ant? Ant. Where's the ending sound of ant? T, t, t. Yes. Ant. 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 Ta is the ending sound of ant. Okay, let's see more words. Look at the picture first. What is this? Tap. 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 What is the ending sound of tap? Tap. Tap. Where is this ending sound? Yes. Yes, per, tap, 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 per. Per is the ending sound of tap, per, tap, tap. Well done, students. See another word, sit, sit, sit. What is the ending sound of sit? Sit, sit. Yeah. Sit. 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 T is the ending sound of sit. Sit. T. T is the ending sound. Yes. Let's see another word. Pan. 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 Okay. What is the ending sound of pan? Pan. 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 Pan, pan, is the ending sound of pan. Children, I hope you understand what is the ending sound of first group of jolly phonic. Children, let's revise the words. Tin, tin, is the ending sound of tin. Pin, pin, is the ending sound of pin. Okay. Ant. Ant. T is the ending sound of ant. Tap. 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 P is the ending sound of tap. Sit. 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 T is the ending sound of sit. Pan. Pan, pan. What is the ending sound of pan? Yes, is the ending sound of pan. After this lesson, children, I hope you understand what is the ending sound of first group of jolly phonic. Take care. See you in next class. Allah Hafiz.